Hello, all wonderful people out there. This is 5 Best Things YouTube channel. We welcome you to our channel. We have a message for you. Stay home, stay safe, stay protected. I repeat, stay home, stay safe, stay protected. Kindly used, registered, and original sanitization product. I repeat, kindly use only original and registered sanitization product for your family and for your loved ones. There are fake products in the market. They are selling fake sanitizers, they are selling fake medicines, so please be aware of that. Only buy from the registered source. That's it. Be safe, stay home, stay protected. 5 best things. Really wish you a healthy recovery for those corona affected people. Thank you so much.